Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a factory reset on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Now this is a S25 Ultra, but it will work for most Galaxies, alright? So first what we're going to want to do is go ahead and we're going to want to go into settings. Once we get to settings, you're going to want to make sure that your connection, your Wi-Fi connection is on. So if you have not done that, make sure that you connect your Wi-Fi first. Then we're going to simply go down to General Management right here. Go ahead and click that. When you go down, you'll see Reset. So we're going to hit Reset, and to do a factory data reset, it's at the very bottom. So make sure that you have everything backed up. If you are selling or giving away your phone, just go ahead and make sure that you back it up. And then we're going to go and press factory data reset. Now this is going to reset everything, okay? So it's going to be like a brand new phone again. And hit reset. Now you're going to want to push delete all, and it will shut down, and now your phone will restart and it'll be like new. So that's pretty much it for factory reset on a Samsung Galaxy. Alright guys, I hope this video helps. If it does, please consider giving it a like, subscribe, or comment. I appreciate it, and I will see you next time. And this is how it looks like once you factory reset it. So then you're going to have to just go through setting up the account. But that's pretty much it, guys.